Today I am going to teach my student Vanessa how to draw in 2-point perspective. We're going to make some cubes using two viewpoints or two separate eye levels. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do, Vanessa, is have your tools ready. You're going to need something with a straight edge, preferably a ruler. You're going to need a pencil, an eraser, and definitely some paper. Okay, so this is what you're going to draw. A simple cube. This is it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take your paper and your ruler and make a straight line across. Now you want to make it kind of light because you don't want this to show up.
Okay.
This is just for your visual reference. So you're going to make a line straight across. I'll use this one. Straight across. And then you're going to add 2 dots here. One dot there and 1 dot here. And this is known as your viewpoint or your eye level. So say you were looking at this is where you would be standing looking at an object. Okay? So then what you want to do is just start with a square or a rectangle. Pretty much any quadrilateral figure. You want to make sure everything's nice and straight too, because then you'll have a hard time connecting everything. Okay, so then you pick a point. Which point do you want to stand in?
I think this one.
This one. Okay. So what you do is you line up your ruler to the corner and you make a line, and it can be again as far as you want to make it or as short, and then you go to your next corner and you want to make sure that you pivot off of this dot.
Okay.
You don't want to move it because what you're going to end up is some crossed lines, and that's not going to make any visual sense. Okay, so you pivot your ruler and you draw your line, and you want to make sure that your line lines up to this one so that you get nice clean corners. So then you go around and you look for any other corners that you can connect. This would be the last one. And you connect, you draw it. You kind of want to make sure that you get them about the same length, because now you need to close it. Now when you're making these closing lines, these will always be horizontal. You don't need to connect them to any points. Okay, so then you close your box. That. And these vertical lines are also straight. You don't need to connect these to any points. You just need to make sure that you close the edges. Okay, so I have a little left over here and I can erase that. Okay. So then you get your cube.
Okay.
Okay, so do you want to give it a try?
Sure.
Okay. Here you go.
So halfway, I make a line. Okay.
Okay.
Then do 2 points representing viewpoints. And then make a square.
Yes.
Okay, so let's start here. I guess it's more of a rectangle.
Any quadrilateral will work.
And I'm going to choose this viewpoint.
Okay.
So using the ruler, try and connect them. Pivot. and then just connect them. Okay.
All right, cool. That looks great. Let's show the camera what you produced for us today. Let's see. Oh, there you go. That's Vanessa's first three-dimensional cube using 2-point perspective. That's it. Do you have any questions?
Oh, that was easy.
That was pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it.